up, y'all? It's your girl Chrissy and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to do one of my favorite makeup looks, which is a natural seamless look that gives my skin but better. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't do a whole lot, so don't expect the lashes and the eyeshadows and stuff. That's not what I do. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna show you the products that I use, my favorite products, and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, so you can see I did my eyebrows and skincare off camera. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my Colé concealer. I think that's how you say it. This is one of my favorite concealers. I use it to color correct and I put it on my dark spots and underneath my eyes and then just blend it out until it's kind of melted into my skin. And as you can see, it's all blended out and my dark spots are covered and my under eye is brighter. You can really use that alone if you want to go for like a clean girl aesthetic, but I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation because I like to see everything all blended together and I like the dewy look that the foundation gives me. So I'm just going to go in with my complexion brush and just tap it into my skin, making sure everything is blended underneath my chin, towards my neck area, and my entire face. After that, I'm going to go in with my Born This Way concealer. Now this is to brighten and I like to put this on underneath my eyes, on my nose, and my upper lip. So now I'm going to set my face. I do use two different setting powders. One is the Hazelnut from Fenty Beauty, which I'm putting on now, and then I go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey, and I usually use that on my nose. I love both of them. This Fenty really gives a blurring effect, and I love it for my under eye area. And as far as eyeshadow goes, I like to put this natural brown eyeshadow on my lids just to put a little color back into my eyelids so everything's not super highlighted and I have a little bit of contrast. Alright, so now I'm going to do mascara, give my lashes a little lift. And then as you can see, I put my mole back underneath my eye off camera just because like the makeup covers it and I like how it looks. Oh, I've been waiting to do the lips, y'all, because my lips is looking super dry. I don't like to put like chapstick or anything because sometimes I feel like it interferes with my lip liner process, but I'm going in with my NYX liner. I don't remember the shade, but I'm going to link everything in the description box below. This is my new favorite combo, okay? I'm using the Colé lip oil and I've just been using it as a gloss. Like it makes my lip feel really good, really moisturized, and it acts just like a gloss. Look at this combo, beautiful. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I love how everything came out. It's just so simple and clean. So I hope you like this look as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.